Okay, I got my spear for spear fishing. 3-prong. I don't know if you can see that. I guess you can. And we got a GoPro, which I'm kind of anxious to figure out. So, got all these rocks, and I'm hoping there might be some big fish. There probably aren't, but I'm gonna see how well this works underwater. We're gonna go and see if there's any fish, and I'm anxious to see how the filming does underwater because this water's a little murky. So here goes nothing. GoPro stop capture. Just a little too murky. Girl's over there swimming. Just too much fun. Woo! This is fun. Okay, this is fun, isn't it? Under the pier. Unfortunately, this is a bay and the fish aren't that big, so I'm just under the pier having fun. What I need to do is go and take my little paddleboard and go way out there, and there's a natural, well, not natural, they've dumped a bunch of oysters, and there's an oyster bed out there, and that's where my neighbor, a young kid who's about 16, 17, used to go. He showed me where it is. He said the fish are all out there, but the water's so murky I doubt that I can see. So it's just kind of fun to get out in the water, and it is cold today. We got down to 54 yesterday, so the water's kind of chilly, but it's fun. It's so fun. Oh, it's just so nice. Oh wow, I wonder if this will show the moon behind me up in the clouds. I wonder if I can see the moon up there. Oh, beautiful. It's just so fun to swim. I feel like we're gonna fall. Okay, one of these days I'm gonna get the thing in the mail where I can go by myself and I'll have nobody hold the camera. Can you turn out there and look at the beautiful waves? See the bridge over there? Woohoo! We fell! Woohoo! This is what it looks like. On your paddleboard. Don't you wish you were right there?